Introducing Toner Buddy from Printzone, the ultimate solution to streamline your printing process and save you time and money. So, how does it work? Step 1. Plug Toner Buddy anywhere into your network. It only checks toner levels of printers and copiers on your network, and it is 100% safe. Step 2. We set alert levels to suit your business, ensuring you get timely notifications when it's time to reorder. Step 3. Automatic alerts let us know when your toner is low, so you never have to worry about running out unexpectedly. Step 4. We let you know what you need to order, taking the guesswork out of the process. Step 5. You confirm your order with us if you wish. It's that simple and convenient. Step 6. We deliver your toner just in time for replacement, saving you from last-minute panics. It's that easy, so why wait? Call the friendly team at Printzone on 1300 782 636 and we'll send a Toner Buddy to your business right away. Experience the ease, savings and peace of mind with Toner Buddy from Printzone.